Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming your Vybe account and connecting a payment method so rewards can track automatically. Once done, enable the in-app wallet and auto-earn so points accumulate without extra steps. Make sure notifications are turned on. They surface time-limited boosts and invites. As you complete this, note your current tier and welcome bonuses. Those shape early earning rates. Keep this window open while we move to earning strategies, because you'll apply these settings immediately. Now you'll concentrate on the repeatable actions that grow your balance quickly. You should prioritize purchases and referrals and make daily check-ins part of your routine because they trigger streak bonuses. When multiple boosts are available, stack them logically. Apply the highest multiplier or coupon first to maximize points. Check your tier progress after each session since moving up increases base earnings. Once you build this habit, rewards compound, and you'll see faster point accumulation. Finish by converting points into the option that gives you the best value. Compare gift cards versus cash out or partner discounts before committing. Make sure you meet minimum thresholds and understand processing times. Some redemptions take 24 to 72 hours. If something goes wrong, like missing points or a failed payout, first refresh the app and resync your payment method, then check transaction history. If that fails, contact Vybe support with timestamps and screenshots so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.